Hi, and welcome to Treebud Academy. My name is Brian, and the AirPods Max is not actually a pair of headphones. They are status symbols. Let me explain. First of all, let's take a look at the new headphones. Let's go to apple.com. And would you look at that? Once you're on the websites, you're taken to this immersive and breathtaking video about the AirPods Max. We're not going to watch the film now because I watched it like 5 times yesterday already, and I hope you've seen it too. You can definitely check them out. Let's learn more about these. Wow, this product page is beautifully designed. The shape and the design of the AirPods Max is front and center, making it instantly recognizable. And I think this is on purpose because for something that is a symbol, you want the design to be iconic. And whether people like it or not, it doesn't matter. As long as people are talking about it and there are no other design like it on the market. And again, instantly recognizable with the aluminum design. Let's go take a look at the price. Wow, $549? This is insane. I am speechless about this price, and you know what? This is starting to make sense actually. So you have something that is super expensive and instantly recognizable, even from afar. So when you see someone with this pair of headphones in the street, you know they have disposable income. They spent $550 on this pair of headphones. And I think this is all intentional to make these headphones a status symbol. Just look at the AirPods Pro and AirPods. Nobody talked about how amazing they were designed or how stylish they look. The design was polarizing. And it was intentional because now when you're walking down the street, when you're on a Zoom call, everyone knows what an AirPod looks like. So in the same vein, in the same line of thoughts, this was designed with that intention in mind. I want to take you to another pair of headphones that I personally use. Bose. And look at this. The Bose headphones are almost $300 cheaper than the AirPods Max. I actually have a pair of Bose headphones, and the Bose headphones used to be a status symbol in of itself as well. There used to be a time, and I think still a lot of people still travel with these, but there used to be a time, believe it or not, that people traveled on aeroplanes. They would go places. And a lot of the people who are traveling like this are business travelers. And actually a ton of business travelers would wear these on their flights. And it became sort of like a status symbol for business travelers. So it seems to me that the AirPods Max are actually trying to do something similar, where now in the zeitgeist of the general public, that these headphones are going to become iconic status symbols of those who have high disposable income, or people who want to show off that they have the ability to spend $550 on a pair of headphones and not even care whether or not they are the best in terms of audio quality. What can you learn from Apple? I think pricing has to be an intentional thing when you're working with your product or services. Apple's now differentiated their headphones from being a commodity, not competing on features and benefits, but competing on an entirely different level of becoming a status symbol, just like the original iPhone. They were intentionally priced high without a carrier subsidy so that people can show that they can afford an iPhone. Similarly, I think people would want to show that they're able to afford AirPods Max. There's something called in economics price elasticity of demand, and it's something you should definitely look up and learn about. You don't necessarily always have to price your products or services so that it's affordable, right? Because pricing strategy, discounts, that's all easy. You should always compete, or at least try to compete, on features and benefits. Pricing is never a marketing strategy in terms of lowering costs. It shouldn't be your go-to or your first thing that you turn to. So these are my thoughts on the AirPods Max and what you can learn from this. Hope you find this video helpful, and check out my other videos, hoping that we can learn from one another.